Begin our demo by focusing on one of the most important best practices, asking clear, specific, and concise questions. This approach will help you get the most accurate and relevant responses from the AI. To illustrate this, let's start with a simple, straightforward question. What are the health benefits of eating apples? This prompt is a great example of being clear and specific. It asks about one particular topic, the health benefits of apples. Because the question is focused and precise, the AI can generate a relevant response, such as detailing the nutritional benefits of apples, how they can help reduce the risk of chronic diseases, and their positive impact on digestive health. What to avoid? Now, let's contrast that with a less effective prompt. Tell me about apples. This question is too vague and could lead to a broad, unfocused response. The AI might start talking about apple varieties, their history, or even apple-based products, none of which are directly related to the health benefits you're interested in.